All right, we're back 2 weeks later, 1 week late. Thanks for watching that video, guys. Really appreciate it. This video is an illustration of someone in a negative mindset, but it's illustrated and it's acted out and it's kind of metaphoric in a way. That was the goal that I came up with and the idea that I came up with after I shot it. When I came up with the idea for making the mind loop video, it ended up putting me in that by trying to make this video perfect, which I couldn't do because I had some shots that I was really stoked about and I had some shots that I kind of wanted to use. And I got into this really bad mental loop of is this video gonna be good enough? And ultimately it's practically, there's really not that many people watching it right now. So it doesn't necessarily even matter if it's perfect. And also perfection can drive you into crippledness. I almost dropped it all together. I almost literally dropped it all together and was like, all right, well, whatever. I'm gonna not film this. I'm gonna not edit this. I got some footage for the future and I like some of these clips, but I'm not gonna go with this. And I'm glad I didn't do that. I'm trying to figure out this YouTube thing and the talking to the camera thing. Right now, we're really just kind of having fun with it and doing what comes to mind. And as time goes on, I think I'll have a better idea of the direction I want the channel to go in. But for now, I'm kind of just making what I want to make and making what's relevant to me when I'm doing it. But yeah, guys, anyway, thank you for watching the video. I really appreciate it. I'm excited to post more. If it's not in a week from today, it will be 2 weeks from today. But my goal to you and to me is a week from today. That was my goal 2 weeks ago and that didn't happen, but it's here. Mind Loop. Really appreciate you guys watching if you took the time to watch it this far. If you would be so kind to subscribe to the channel and like the video, and if you're so inspired, share the video with your friends on the internet. And that's kind of it. And that's really all I got for you this week. I appreciate you watching the video. See ya.